Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back to one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to fix this app has been blocked for your protection and administrator has blocked you from running this app. As you can see guys, so this irritating error I also facing. So how to fix this problem? In this video we will learn this guys. So for this guys, you can follow this easy and simple method. To fix this issue guys, first you need to open the command prompt on your PC, press Windows key button and here you need to type cmd, okay, and right click on it and open this command prompt in administrator mode. Just click on run as administrator. Okay, now after opening guys, here remember one thing, here you need to enter the app full path. So for example, I want to open the notepad in my PC, so just I am entering c:/windows/notepad.exe. so here you need to enter your app which you want to open. Okay, remember this thing, same as it is, you need to type, just replace notepad.exe with your app name. After this guys, just hit enter. Now it will forcefully open that app by bypassing the administrative rules on your Windows PC. As you can see guys, now our app was now open. So this is the easy and very simple method to fix that problem. So that's it for today guys, the short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.